So we got the wings on the menu and they're garlicky and they're buttery. I'm gonna show you guys how to make these buttery garlic Parmesan wings. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's go over our ingredients real quick. Back here we have our chicken wings. We have some flour, butter, and these two dishes, black pepper, seasoned salt, garlic powder, dried parsley, Parmesan cheese, onion powder and garlic powder, and more salt here. Let's go ahead and jump into it. We're gonna start off by seasoning our chicken with a little salt, some black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. We're gonna go in with our hands, get that baby mixed up like this. I think I'm gonna add a little seasoned salt to mine as well. You probably saying, oh man, that chicken gonna be salty. No, chicken can definitely take a little bit more salt than most other meats. All right, we're gonna move this aside, bring over our flour. We're gonna season this also with some salt, seasoned salt, black pepper, and some garlic powder. We're just gonna get that baby mixed up, combined, and make sure you test your flour, adjust your seasoning as you see fit. All right, looks like we're good there. Let me give it a little test. Throw a little bit more salt in there for me. All right, we're good. We're gonna bring our chicken back over. Bring over a little resting rack right here. We're gonna take our wings, gonna dip it in our flour. And what we want, we just wanna lightly bread these babies. We just want a thin coat of bread on it. So you're gonna shake off that excess like that. Put it here on the rack, let it rest while we do the others. Just like that, guys. So we're gonna finish up the rest of them and we're gonna come back. All right, so now that we've breaded all our wings, we're gonna move over to our air fryer and get that baby preheated so we can start cooking those wings. All right, so now we're at our air fryer. We're gonna get this baby on. Turn on air fryer, put it on 400 degrees. I'm gonna cook mine for 24 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and get it started, get it preheated. Once it finishes preheating, we're gonna drop our wings in there and get those baby to cooking. All right, so now where you see it says add food, we're gonna lift our hood, adjust our camera just a little bit. Let's place our chicken in here, like that. And guys, you may have to cook these in batches. It's okay, because you wanna leave enough space. You don't wanna overcrowd this baby. I'm gonna start with these 10 right here. We're gonna close our lid. I'm gonna let mine air fry for 24 minutes. We're gonna flip them over midway through the cooking process at 12 minutes. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and pause this because we are 13 minutes in. It just went to 11. Gonna lift our hood. Gonna turn this baby over. All right, we're gonna go ahead and let those babies rock out for the last 11 minutes or 11 and a half minutes. And guys, I did spray my tray with some cooking spray. That way it doesn't stick to the pan right here. So we're gonna close that baby up. We're gonna get that baby started again. All right, guys, it says get food, lift our hood. Man, take a look at that. These babies are crispy, man. You can get them crispy in the air fryer. Take a look at that. All right, I'm gonna put them here on a rack and I'm gonna sit them in our warmer while I finish up the remaining of our wings. Once I do that, we're gonna come right back. Okay, so while that last batch of wings are finishing up, we're gonna prepare our buttery garlic parm sauce. We're gonna take our melted butter, that was 4 tablespoons. We're gonna add our Parmesan cheese here, our dried parsley, and a little black pepper. We're gonna get at a mix like that. Real simple, guys, real simple. You can also add some red chili flakes just to give it a touch of heat if you want. All right, we're gonna set this aside until our wings are done. All right, so now we've air fried all our wings. It's time to get those babies sauced up in our buttery garlic parm sauce. So we're just going to move this to the side, bring over a empty dish, or empty bowl rather. Gonna back that camera up just a little bit. Gonna take our chicken wings, we're gonna add them to the bowl here. And now we're just gonna drizzle this garlic parm sauce over our wings like this. And we're just gonna do a little shaky bakey. You know how we do it. Try to get them all sauced up. And take a look at that. That's buttery garlic, baby. That's buttery garlic. Let's go ahead and get these babies plated up so we can jump into quality control. Guys, there you have it. Buttery garlic Parmesan chicken wings. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Guys, take a look at that. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control. I can't even wait any longer. Let's go. All right, you already know quality control, and we got these wings. Ooh, look at that. Listen, we're gonna go ahead and get to it. I'm gonna put that plate down right there. This baby right here, I'm gonna start with a flat. This baby seems like it's so crispy. Oh man. Listen, you can never go wrong with garlic parmesan. One of my favorite wing flavors next to the original buffalo. Original buffalo is my favorite. I don't know why, it's just my favorite. Guys, definitely try this. You already know I'm the wing king. No need to stand on too much business over here because y'all already know I'm standing on it. So add it to your recipes from AWE, and until then, guys, remember, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything, and remember, him not a chef, him just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace.